are obsessed with tennis and Shakespeare.
True.
Like
Those
Shakespeare
two things are true. I think Shakespeare's kind of like our greatest literary inheritance, and I suppose I fell in love with it because of being taken to the theatre by my mum when I was a teenager, and seeing amazing actors give amazing performances. But you know, and also like, if you're a tennis, I'm a tennis fan. I was at the Wimbledon final this year.
I like the tennis noises. Sure, that.
That just sounds like me clicking my tongue.
Yes,
But
it's
tennis
better than
noises
what
are
mine
good.
was, which was Okay.
Yeah. And then you get the crowd going, ooh, whoa, all of that stuff.
Love tennis.
Pretty exciting. I love a cup of tea.